Xavier Cortada is a Cuban-American, Florida-based artist. His medium, one might say, is community engagement. His goal? Make the often invisible data visible to the public. Motivated by the climate crisis, Xavier initiated a community-led climate action project called The Underwater. The Underwater Project strives to raise awareness about sea level rise and to foster action to address climate change. The Underwater uses interactive public art installations, including yard signs, murals, and sustainable concrete markers to reveal South Florida's elevation and its vulnerability. The artwork encourages people to discover their neighborhood's elevation above sea level and learn how they can get involved in local climate action. Several original artifacts from the project are on view in the exhibition entitled Xavier Cortada, Climate, Science, Art. Visit the National Academy of Sciences in Washington, D.C.